Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the project we're making today. We're going to actually just be making the candle, not the packaging. I'm going to show you in the next video how to make the packaging and the little tag and everything else. But today we're just going to be making this gorgeous candle that I've printed with these beautiful poppies. So let's get started. Now I've just got a simple candle. I don't know where I got it. Just any sort of type of, pillar candle. I think I might have got this either from the pound shop, or maybe I got it from IKEA. I can't remember, but it's been in my stash for ages. So to print, I've got a piece here of tissue paper, and all I've done is measured the height of my candle and then the circumference and cut out a piece to match. Now the stamp set we're going to be using today is this one called Painted Poppies, and we're going to be using these two poppies here, this one, and then this leaf here as well. Okay, and I'm going to be stamping in archival ink, so nothing's going to run, and there is no rhyme or reason why I'm going to be doing this how I'm going to be stamping these. I'm just going to stamp them however the fancy takes me. Or something like that. Okay, so that's what we've got. So close up our ink pad, and then I'm going to colour them in, and I'm going to use very simple colouring. I'm going to be using my red marker here. This is my Poppy Parade, and I'm going to be using my Old Olive. So I'm just going to colour this all in, mostly put you on fast forward, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we have it all coloured in. As you can see, it does bleed through, but that's what your grid paper is there for. So do make sure you have a piece of scrap paper underneath when you are colouring in, but it'll be absolutely, when you actually put it around your candle, it'll be absolutely fine. Nothing, you can see nothing's coming off of my hands. I did give it a little waft with the heat tool just to make sure it was all properly dry. The other thing I'll say is, on tissue paper you have a waxy side normally, and you have a matte side. I've stamped on the matte side to make it easier for me. So now we're going to bring our little candle back here, and all I'm going to do is on the one side of the waxy side, so you can feel the difference, I'm just going to put a tiny, just like that, bead of Tombow. And it won't show through, it's just so I have something to stick. And do it on the other side actually as well, just something so it sticks to my candle before I heat set it into place. And then all you're going to do is take your candle and you're just going to wrap, trying to keep it straight. Obviously you don't want to skew your candle, so you're just going to wrap it round like that. I just put it between my two blocks to stop it running away, and then I've got here a piece of wax paper, and I'm just going to put that over the top like this and use it as a handle. And now we're going to heat set it, so let's get rid of these two and bring in our heat tool, and we're going to let the heat tool get nice and hot before we take it to the candle. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back. There we go. go, and it just melts in. And all you're doing is melting your paper into the candle to print on it. So there you go. So that's the one I did now, and tomorrow, as I said, I'm going to show you the packaging. That's the one I did before in its beautiful packaging. So I hope you found that useful and enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!